Yeah. Today our little designer is making a dreamy dress using rose petals, leaf, paper flowers, and glue. With tiny hands and a big imagination, she turns nature into fashion. Sunny now? Okay, Sunny, do you know what that's?
The flower.
Sunny wants to smell it? Okay, Sunny smell it. Sunny smell this flower. Do you like it? Okay. And Sunny wants to... Yeah, this is a pink. This is a paper flowers. And this flower name, Sunny, do you know this flower's name?
Rose.
Yeah, rose. Good baby. Sunny, do you know what that?
It's a yellow.
Yellow.
Flower.
This is flower or leaf?
Mommy.
Yeah, for me. Sunny, do you like flowers?
No.
No?
Flower.
Flowers smell bad. But today we will design a dress. Sunny want to design a beautiful dress.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. First one. Okay, we need to put glue. Okay, put glue on the dress. Sunny can do like that. Okay, let's help you a little bit. Okay. Okay, and then you spread. Sunny can stick. Sunny can stick. Okay. These flowers and you can Sunny sit down. Wow, Sunny, do you know what's flower's name?
Rose.
This flower name?
Rose.
Yeah, rose. And this is flower name? Paper flower.
Paper flower.
Yes, Sunny, do you like paper flowers?
Yes.
Okay, Sunny can stick it. And flower dress, right?
We can stick that.
Yeah, you can stick it. And wow, this petal so big. Okay, Sunny, sit down. Okay, Sunny, do you want to have a beautiful dress?
Yes.
Yeah. Sunny, do you have any dress?
Yes.
Yeah. How many dress do you have?
Yes.
Wow. Let me help you a little bit. Okay. It's so nice. These petals.
Look.
Yeah, I think that's not done. Get more.
Happy to know.
Sunny make dress for whom?
For the princess.
For princess. Sunny, do you want to be princess? Wow. Yes, I see. Okay, wait. What's Sandy marker? What's Sandy doing? Wow, what's Sandy doing? What's Sandy doing? Yes, Sandy color here.
Look for the outside.
Yes, good Sandy. It's okay. It's so nice. Sandy, do you like yellow hair? Yeah. Prefer long hair or short hair? Long hair. Sunny wants yellow hair or black hair? Sunny wants yellow hair, but good Sandy. Wow. Good job. What's Sunny doing? Sunny drawing.